At some point in our life, we had all wanted to make our own portraits or painting. Through this video, you will learn how to make your own portrait or caricature in any art style. You can make yourself in millions of different painting with nothing but an eye tools. So let's get started. First, take a bunch of selfies with different expressions. Also, take a few photos in mid-shot and long shot if possible. That will increase your art quality and variation. Absolutely avoid taking your photos in the poor lighting. I would suggest you to take it in the daytime, as lighting plays a big part in making your photos comes out better. Then you need to crop your images in a square of 512 pixel. Just make sure your photos are in the center. You can quickly crop it online with BIRME.net. Link is in the description below. You can also do it in Photoshop if you want your photos to be cropped properly. Next, make a new Google account, as your whole data will be used by this program which you are going to use. It can instantly consume your free space of 15 GB in just 1 or 2 uses. So, for this, we are using Google Collab, which runs any Python program in your browser. It also gives you the access of Cloud GPU. If you want to know more about it, you can check out this video here. Link is in the description below. Start with clicking on play icon. After it is finished with green tick, then proceed on next cell. It may take around half an hour to run all the cells. Now you need to create an account on Hugging Face. Each and every steps has been recorded, so you can follow all the steps just by watching the video. One of the most common mistake which people usually do that leads to an error. People usually face this while running the last cell. Please make sure you can click on the Accept repository in Hugging Face. In case, if you don't see it, then I have put the link in description below. Open this page from there and click on this if you had missed it. Then go to Setting, Access Token, and create a new token. You can name it anything. Just rename the SKS with your name or something. This will create a folder with that name where you are gonna upload all your images. And in the class name, you can try guy, person, human, boy, male, or anything. I tried with these keywords, and it turns out that person works best for me. You can adjust it with your preference. Again, in the output directory, you can name it anything. To upload your images, browse folders in the left side. Click on Data folder. Your folder will appear which you had just created. Drag and drop all your images in that folder. This will upload your images much faster. Rename the prompt word with your name or anything. Remember, you have to use this word every time you try to generate your art images. In class prompt, write person. And in class images, edit it with number of images which you uploaded. In the train steps section, you can adjust with around 1000 for good results. You can also increase even more, like 2000 or so, for better creativity and dark quality, but it will consume more time to train it. So I will suggest you to keep it up to 1000, as it will still give you the best result. This will take around half an hour, depending on the number of images to be trained, and also the number of images which you have uploaded. Skipping a bit here. After everything is done, it's time to make our own painting. But before diving into it, let me brief you how you can generate your images closer to your imagination. For example, if you write photo of a container, it will show the results of container like these, and if you put your train prompt photo of a SKS, then it will show your photos without much of a creativity. If you add more information like photo of a SKS container on a beach, then it will show your own photo or SKS on the beach. If you want yourself standing on the moon, then write it and it will show you on the moon. It's really simple to use. It has infinite possibilities. You just need to experiment it with your imagination. If you are wondering why these prompt is written so long, then you can read these articles here, written by Graverman. Those who are new to AI art should definitely read this. Then you would be able to play with it more professionally. There's even more simple method. You can go to LEXICA ART and just copy-paste the prompt which you like at the end of your prompt. This is future me 2 weeks from now. As I was making this video, another update has been released. So you can also check that out if you want. All the process is almost the same as this one. I think it's even easier. Still, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me on my Discord server here. Just go to Community Forum, AI Art Tools, Getting Error section, or Prompt Talk. Or you can even create your new forum, if required for your concern.